Welcome to Kart Builders, and today I'm be showing you guys the modifications we did. We sanded out the clutch to make it go faster, as you can see. And we still have a couple more head bolts. Got to tighten this one down yet. We're limited on tools. Right now we got to find the other one that goes to this spot right here. And I'll give you guys a little demo on this thing real quick. Let me find something to put my camera on. Don't mind the junk on the floor here. That record player works. The phone dropped. And that engine there is a 6.5 horse side shaft motor. This is, we've been trying to build this kart for years. We just never got around to building it. See, suspension. We had to cut a lot of stuff because this originally was bad. And what if I'm gonna talk to my brother, because this is his kart, we're gonna take this seat off, the upholstery he did. Take this off. Cut some slants here. And put a tractor seat right here. So we can move all the way to the back so we can have some leg room. Because me, I'm actually a short guy. And this kart, and for a 5-year-old, I don't have kids. But if I did have kids, I'd sure build this for them though. My brother did this upholstery, by the way, by hand. Took a seat from a Chevy Chevette, or a liner, and he sewed it up, stitched it up, and yeah. Tires stay aired up on this thing on the back, but the front, I'm gonna have to get some new ones. You guys can tell how dry rotted that is. Anyways, let's go check out my brother. There's his big ass block V-twin tractor, pulling tractor. See where he's at. Did he go inside? He did. Well, he took off. I'll catch you guys later on the previous build on this kart builders. Our next build will be a 1000cc snowblower engine on a shifter kart. Oh wait, he's back. Okay. Huh? 460 versus the V6. Fucking 460 will cream it. This is my brother. His name is No Shirt Emmett. We're recording now. Ow. Did you find that other head bolt?
I'm just gonna steal one off an engine.
This is my brother. Question.
The owner of the go-kart.
We have the tires at Royal King. What the hell was that?
I don't know, but it hurt like hell.
We sell tires at Royal King, Emmett. So, yes, I work at Royal King. It's a bitch.
What's wrong?
What's our next build, Emmett?
Give me a load.
1000cc snowblower engine.
Yep.
On a go-kart.
Yeah. And now we're using a little 5-horse.
Right now he's gonna play with his little toy.
Give me a lighter.
My camera's all fogged up. Anyways, that concludes our video for today. Subscribe. I hope you liked the video. We'll let you guys know in the next video of the previous what we're doing next. Be new tires, brakes, throttle cables. That's the next episode. You guys have a nice day.